Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Mishra. This is multiple choice questions MCQ on operations research part first. This I have compiled in view of the final examinations to be held very soon for specifically for UG students and even PG students of some courses like MBA, BBA, B.Com, etc. by different institutes or universities. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Operations research is the application of dash methods to arrive at optimal solutions to the problems. Options are A. Economical, B. Scientific, C. A and B both, D. Artistic. Correct option is B. Scientific. Question number 2. In operations research, the dash are prepared for situations. Options are A. Mathematical models, B. Physical models, diagrammatic, C. Diagrammatic models, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Mathematical models. Question number 3. Operations management can be defined as the application of dash to a problem within a system to yield optimum solution. Options are A. Suitable manpower, B. Mathematical techniques, models and tools, C. Financial operations, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Mathematical techniques, models and tools. Question number 4. Operations research is based upon collected information, knowledge and advanced study of various factors impacting a particular operation. This leads to more informed dash. Options are A. Management process, B. Decision making, C. Procedures, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Decision making. Question number 5. OR can evaluate only the effects of dash. Options are A. Personal factors, B. Financial factors, C. Numeric and quantifiable factors. Correct option is C. Numeric and quantifiable factors. Question number 6. By constructing models, the problems in libraries increase and cannot be solved. True or false? It's false. Question number 7. Operations research started just before World War II in Britain with the establishment of teams of scientists to study the strategic and tactical problems involved in military operations. True or false? It's true. Question number 8. OR can be applied only to those aspects of libraries where mathematical models can be prepared. True or false? It's true. Question number 9. The main limitation of operations research is that it often ignores the human element in the production process. True or false? It's true. Question number 10. Which of the following is not the phase of OR methodology? Options are A. Formulating a problem, B. Constructing a model, C. Establishing controls, D. Controlling the environment. Correct option is D. Controlling the environment. Question number 11. The objective function and constraints are functions of two types of variables, dash variables and dash variables. Options are A. Positive and negative, B. Controllable and uncontrollable, C. Strong and weak, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Controllable and uncontrollable. Question number 12. Operations research was known as an ability to win a war without really going into dash A. Battlefield, B. Fighting, C. The opponent, D. Both A and B. Correct option is D. Both A and B. Question number 13. Who defined OR as scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basis for decisions regarding the operations under their control? Options are A. Morse and Kimball 1946, B. B.P.M.S Blackett 1948, C.E.L Arnoff and M.J Netzorg D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Morse and Kimball 1946. Question number 14. OR has a characteristics that it is done by a team of, options are A, scientists, B, mathematicians, C, academics, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 15. Hungarian method is used to solve, options are A, a transportation problem, B, a traveling salesman problem, C, an LP problem, D, both A and B. Correct option is B, a traveling salesman problem. Viewers, by and large, let me tell you that correct options are highlighted here. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected in my narration. Question number 16. A solution can be extracted from a model either by, options are A, conducting experiments on it, B, mathematical analysis, C, both A and B, D, diversified techniques. Correct option is C, both A and B. Question number 17. OR uses models to help the management to determine its dash. Options are A, policies, B, actions, C, both A and B, D, none of the above. Correct option is C, both A and B. Question number 18. What have been constructed from OR problems? Methods for solving the models and are available in many cases. Options are A, scientific models, B, algorithms, C, mathematical models, D, none of the above. Correct option is C, mathematical models. Question number 19. Which technique is used in finding a solution for optimizing a given objective, such as profit maximization or cost reduction under certain constraints? Options are A, Quailing Theory, B, waiting line, C, both A and B, D, linear programming. It's D, linear programming. Question number 20. What enables us to determine the earliest and latest times for each of the events and activities and thereby helps in the identification of the critical path? Options are A, program evaluation, B, review technique, C, both A and B, D, deployment of resources. So actually it is program evaluation and review technique. So correct option is C, both A and B. Question number 21. OR techniques help the directing authorities in optimum allocation of resources, limited resources like, options are A, man and machine, B, money, C, material and time, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 22. The operations research technique which helps in minimizing total waiting and service cost is, options are A, Quailing theory, B, decision theory, C, both A and B, D, none of the above. Correct option is A, Quailing theory. Question number 23. What is the objective function in linear programming problems? Options are A, a constraint for variable resource, B, an objective for research and development of a company, C, a linear function in an optimization problem, or D, a set of non-negative conditions. So this is C, a linear function in an optimization problem. Question number 24. Which statement characterizes a standard form of a linear programming problem? Options are A, constraints are given by inequality of any type, B, constraints are given by a set of linear equations, C, constraints are given by only by inequality of less than or equal to type, or constraints are given only by inequality of, earlier it was greater than or equal to type, now you see it is less than or equal to type. So correct option is A, constraints are given by inequality of any type. Question number 25. Feasible solution satisfies only constraints, B, only non-negative restriction, C, both A and B, D, A, B and optimum solution. So correct option is C, A and B both. This is all about this video tutorial on operations research. More questions will be given and discussed in my upcoming video tutorial. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.